come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, ARMYs, continuing the saga of the BTS week. The new performance is here. This is a song called Microcosmos. This is a song which I have no idea what the song is about because I have not listened to it. This is a new song for me, like Home was. So yes, I'm super duper stoked to listen to this song. And I remember in like my previous BTS videos, few of the ARMYs had commented that please react to the live performance of Microcosmos. So that's where I remember this name from. So yeah, sorry that I didn't react to the live performance yet, but this reaction is here. I'm super duper excited. I am still not over Black Swan, just FYI ARMYs. Still not over Black Swan and that all the stunning visual. Oh my goodness. So yes, you know what I'm feeling right now. Alright ARMYs, let's just start with this reaction of Microcosmos. Okay.
Hey YouTube, it's BTS week at The Tonight Show, and every day we're bringing you incredible new performances from the group. Here now to perform the hit song Microcosmos from their 2019.
Sorry, Microcosmos. I'm sorry, ARMYs. Okay, my bad.
Album Map of the Soul Persona.
Oh, this is from the new album. Oh, wow. Wait, let me just bless my eyes first with their beautiful visuals. Again with the beautiful costumes, guys. Oh, look at them. And they're wearing my favorite color, blue. I love your vocals, Taeyang. 어떤 빛은 영원, 어떤 빛은 방황. 사람들의 포비 둘, 모두 소중한 하나. 어두운 밤, 외로움만 별처럼 다. Oh, the rap line! Are you seeing Namjoon? How do you not expect me to die? Huh? Ah, my angel! Nobody can convince me otherwise that he is not an angel. Ah, worldwide! This is my army bomb. I absolutely do not know what it means. I could understand only two lines. You got me, I got you. And this song has such a wow kind of a feeling. Is this a song about you got me, I got you? Are they singing for the ARMYs? Huh? ARMYs, let me know. And I love what Jimin is wearing. This silk shirt is just beautiful. Beautiful. It's my favorite. I mean, they're wearing my favorite color, so.
한 사람의 하나의 역사, 한 사람의 하나의 별, 75개의 빛으로 빛나는 75가지의 world.
I'm scared to look at him because literally, yesterday at Black Swan's, reaction, one of the ARMYs, she's a regular viewer, she wrote that, oh my god, you are red. When Namjoon came, your face became red. So, oh my god, I don't know why he has this effect on me. This is not okay. Are you seeing how his eyes are just death for me, man. Oh my god, he looks amazing. He looks
하나의 별 75개의 빛으로 빛나는 75가지
So he's not rapping, he's really singing. He's rapping. Aww, meow meow.
이 밤의 표정이 이토록 다른 타운걸
Whew.
저 어둠도 달빛도 아닌 우리 때문일 거야
I love, look at Taeyang's costume. He's very purple, not really blue, it's purple. Beautiful, man. I want to know what the song means. You got me, I got you. Jin! Jin is so gorgeous and his voice is even more gorgeous. My goodness. I'm tired of saying how great they sound live, armies, huh? But they do. And I don't even know the meaning of the song, but the way they're singing, like when Jin and Taeyang were just singing now, it warmed my heart for some reason, you know? You know? Okay. I know you know. Just I love this part. Hobie's smile just brightens my day, man. Just keep smiling all the time, Hobie. I'm scared. I'm literally at this point. I'm scared to look at Kim Namjoon. I'm really scared to look at him. Why do I feel like crying? Why is it making me a little emotional? I don't even know the bloody meaning of this song. Oh my god. The only two lines I understood were you got me and I got you. But I still feel like, I don't know, emotional. I feel emotional. Oh my god. Back. Look at that. Cosmos. Some microcosmos. So something related to sky, stars. Is it something related to you got me, I got you, and some that I understood, and something related to stars and galaxy and lights. I'm just blindly shooting at, like, I don't know, nowhere, trying to guess the meaning of the song. Yes! This is the kind of song that you play at the end of the concert. This is the perfect song to end a concert. You know, because of this. All the armies, this is like, okay, see you, bye-bye. We had a great time, hope you had a great time. You know, perfect song. This is such a perfect song to end a show. You know? See, they're saying, I guessed it correct, right? See, that's the army logo. This is a song for armies. You got me, I got you. They have made this song for armies, right? Right? I want to listen to Na 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 again. Oh! in one hand my army bomb. Yes, that's the army logo.
사랑해요.
Sarangyo. So I know Sarangyo means Sarangyo means love you, right? And that at the end, see, first they made the army logo, then they made the BTS logo. So you got me, I got you. Our BTS is saying, armies, I know you've got us, but we have also got you. Based on 2 lines, I'm making the entire guess on the song. Look at this visual. Seriously, the performances can just pass off as official MVs. Wow, Sarangyo. Okay, let me shut. Na 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 na. Na, 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 na. The whole video, I was holding my imaginary army bomb and just vibing to this song. This is such a beautiful song, like I said, such a beautiful song to end a show. You know, with the na 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 na. And I think I guessed it correct because the army logo was there and then the BTS logo came that this is a song for armies. And based on 2 lines, I have made this guess. You got me, I got you. Let me know if I'm completely wrong or did I nail it, because you know and it made me, you know, a little emotional. If this is a song for armies, if I end up being right, then oh my god, I'm gonna be even more emotional the next time I listen to this song, and with the meaning of the, you know, with the meaning of the song when I watch the lyric video. Beautiful again. I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but I'm gonna repeat it again. Number 1, their live vocals is just, at this point, I know how amazing they sound live. Everybody, not a single person I felt that, you know, did not sound great. They sound amazing live, and again with the stability of Jungkook and Jin's voice. I love it. And you seeing Taeyang, how Taeyang's voice was so soft. Taeyang and Jimin, if you listen to their parts, their vocals were so soft and mellow and beautiful. That's when I actually got emotional, you know, when they were singing their parts, Taeyang and Jimin, at the fag end of the song. It just made my heart so warm. The rap line was really not they were sort of singing. I think Yoongi was rapping, but Namjoon was, you know, his rap was in a melody, and I loved it. The overall, I love how in such a beautiful emotional song, I'm guessing this is an emotional song. I'm 100% sure it is an emotional song, and you know, the way they combine the rap so beautifully with the vocals, just perfect. Jungkook sounds, the small breaths that he takes while singing just makes him sound unbelievably good. It's just it's so healing for you. Oh my goodness, all of them. Hobie just can just be there, stand there and give his smile, and he's just going to radiate positivity from all parts. It's like that. My goodness. Like I said, they don't have bad songs. This is such a beautiful song. I loved it. You know I loved it. You can of course make out from my reaction. I absolutely loved it. So yeah, that was my reaction to Microcosmos. You know what pattern I am seeing? The first one they did was Dynamite, because that's the new song. But in terms of like the performances, the first one was Idol, then Home, then Black Swan, and today Microcosmos. So they are doing one performance where it is very heavy dance based, and the second performance is you know, where they are really not dancing. It's more of a song which you can just vibe to. This is my observation. And the second observation that I made is that the songs in which they are dancing to are the songs which has an MV. Home doesn't have an MV. Microcosmos also, I know it doesn't have an MV because it's from Map of the Soul, so I know it will not have an MV because I've already reacted to all the MVs from Map of the Soul. So And then I'm guessing now tomorrow's performance is again going to be a dance performance, and from a song which already has an MV, because they will do the dance performances of this song which already has an MV, and then probably next day we are gonna get a song which doesn't have the dance. But I really want them to perform. One, my wish is that if they perform Fake Love, that will be so cool, and second, probably Spring Day. But I'll not cry if they perform Spring Day. The day, tomorrow is going to be, I'm guessing tomorrow is going to be a dance performance, and the next day probably Spring Day, because that is a kind of song which is needed right now. Spring Day has such a positive, it's a sad song, but it also, is you're remembering and you're feeling, it's a positive song where, they are saying that spring will come one day. So I think maybe they're going to end the week with Spring Day. This is my guess. Just my guess, guys. So yeah, that was my reaction to Mikrokosmos. I hope you enjoyed this reaction and you were also vibing with your real or imaginary army bomb. I don't know if you own an army bomb or not. I don't own it. I want to own one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Hope you've come till the end of the video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye.